Family of Formula One champ Michael Schumacher plans legal action over AI-generated interview. I actually did see this one. Okay. It was somebody sent it to us on Twitter. The family spokesperson confirmed to the Associated Press by email on Thursday that legal action is being planned over fake artificial intelligence interview by German outlet Die Aktuell. The magazine printed a photo of the 54-year-old Schumacher on its front page last weekend, along with the words "Michael Schumacher, the first interview." The magazine also wrote, "It sounds deceptively real," with the supposed quotes attributed to Schumacher generated by AI. It's a tabloid celebrity magazine in Germany. Obviously, in his case, Schumacher's kind of been off grid, off the radar after that skiing accident back in 2013, which, my goodness, that's a long time ago now.
Yeah.
And himself, his family has been very private.
Yes.
After that's happened. So you can understand how compelling it would be to people to say, oh, there's an actual interview now. Let me see what's going on here. And then to only find out that the entire interview is AI generated. And my thing is, did they admit once you get past page one, like at any point, is there a disclaimer? Oh, by the way, this is an AI experiment.
I guess not.
Not that it would necessarily change things because you're misrepresenting it from the jump.
Yeah. Like listening to the Rogan interview, the podcast, like he in his voice said that it was AI generated, all of it.
Disclaimer.
There was a disclaimer right at the beginning.
Yeah.
It was very clear. But in this case, I guess not.
Can you just scroll up a little bit higher there? Let's see here. Even higher. The magazine, because why would the magazine write, "It sounds deceptively real"? See, like, I feel like it was kind of a clickbait situation where they said the first interview, and then somewhere in fine print or later on, once you've bought the magazine, you've been scammed and you're part of the joke. Hey, by the way, everything you just read was AI generated. Isn't AI crazy? I don't know. But anyway, I don't think they care. I think from their perspective, a lawsuit is still worthwhile because it's a misrepresentation. Are people going to really get to that point in the fine print? Are people going to really understand that it's not him? And have you done a sufficient job with your disclaimer to suggest that this is a computer and not the person themselves?
And do you think that this will be more prevalent in the future?
Yeah, here we have Fabrizio say that this is a trash gossip magazine. Schumacher was such a champ. If he ain't 100%, his and his family's privacy should be respected. The dude is GOAT of F1. Yeah,
shout out.
Yeah. Hey, man. Hey, man.
Well, good luck to them.